In this guide, I'm going to show you where you can find and how to farm Dr. Bosconovitch for some great rewards. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you need to do is teleport to bus stop 18. Once you do arrive, go ahead and just hop off and head towards the platform on your left. And from here, just start climbing up the nearby structures. Essentially, keep moving upwards until you reach the high platform areas, and eventually you'll spot Dr. Bosconovitch standing near a lamppost. Just get ready to fight. Once you find him, take him down using your strongest stand abilities and melee attacks. The fight is pretty straightforward once your build is strong enough, so just keep that in mind. The good thing, though, about this boss is that he does respawn every few minutes, which does make him great for farming. If you want to speed things up even more, try server hopping so you could get the freshest spawns and keep the farm going. Each time you do defeat him, you'll earn stand experience, player experience, and cash, which will help you progress your build so much faster. If possible, what I would recommend doing is actually joining the games group for extra bonuses and focus stacking melee scaling to take him down quicker and maximize your farming runs. But that is it. That is how you could find and farm Dr. Bosconovitch here in Bizarre Lineage. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.